Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here is my big rant at Chrome 94. And I will actually tell you about something that you as a regular user do not know is now something that's going to be available to developers within Chrome 94 going forward. It's creating quite a stir because of the privacy concern that it has. Chrome 94 has a new feature, and it's called, and this is something that you have no control over, but developers can actually use, called Idle Detection API. What is that? It is a way for developers to know the interaction you have with Google Chrome and apps that you might have in here, and it's there to try to have, so the idea behind it is not negative. The idea behind it is that developers will know more about, what you do in the sense of, where and how you use apps and you use Chrome and you use the different services, so they can tweak to make it more interesting if they see that you're idle in one place and that you don't seem interested in a certain app or a certain place within where you're browsing. It's actually basically a snooping tool. And the worst part is Mozilla, that has Firefox, actually shut down the API because they said it's harmful, and they said it's an opportunity for surveillance capitalism. And Mozilla says no way that this is going to be used on our Mozilla browser. And they say that the fact that a malicious site could utilize the API to maximize the device's compute resources without the user consenting or knowing about it. So it's a very controversial feature. Google pushes this as a positive thing that will help out developers. I can only think about how this is a snooping of a more intense kind within the Chrome browser and Chrome OS if you use a Chromebook. One of the things about Google Chrome is that a lot of people already are, there's a lot of people that are kind of limit with Google Chrome, thinking, well, everything Google does is kind of very centered on tracking, and they do track quite a lot. But I don't know, this is a controversial thing right now because it seems that you're giving developers a lot more information about everything a user will do with Google Chrome. And maybe that's going a little far. I understand you want to maximize and help developers maximize the way they do things, but there's, I think, a limit where you just don't go forward. And this is now part of the possibilities. Developers can or not use it. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we should have to know which ones do and which ones don't. Maybe it should be something that you have to know. But honestly, this is crazy. It means what? You're going to snoop. You can even know what websites people go to, and it's really big snooping. Honestly, this new feature, and I don't think they should go forward with this. So, Idle Detection API, which is now supported in Chrome 94 and forward. If you're not happy with it, I suggest you find a way to complain to Google. Maybe what you could do is click report an issue here. That's what I do. and comment on this and how you are really mad that they are accepting that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.